Pretty is time again. Welcome back to another video. Today I am at Jolly's, the dog animal place for pets. Just look at the fish. My family is over there. Looking at stuff, but look at this other stuff. Let's go. Oh, we've got dolphins. We've got birds. Is there any animals in here? Because no animals in there. Oh my god. Guys, look. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Oh, that's so adorable. Hello everybody. You know these guys, the birds. Look at lost sounds. Jesus, they're big and lost. Oh, that's adorable. It's weird. Bella.
You did a vlog?
Yeah. Fishies. Oh, can I just look at the fishes? I like looking at the fishes. Fishes everywhere. They don't know that they're on camera.
No.
I think that one does. That one's just like, oh my god, I'm on TV.
Right?
Yeah.
Can I introduce you?
Wait.
Hello.
This is my cousin Laura. Where's my face red?
No. So we are at the pet shop because G has a tick.
Yeah.
But they
What's that?
It's like a little parasite that sticks in their skin.
Ooh.
But they don't have any tick removers. So
Oh my!
look, it looks like Lila.
Oh yeah.
Lila.
And it's like two. Oh.
And one's Merlin.
The other one's like a different dog. That's cute.
Yeah. So they don't have any. So G is infested.
I hope he doesn't die.
No, you won't die.
I don't want any of the dogs to die. I'm gonna look at the birds. Even though they're annoying. Alright, go guys. Let's go. Rabbit skin. And here are the birds. So annoying, aren't they? Hey! I like these ones up there. That one looks pretty cool. There's no one's there. I think my favourite is not that one. That one over there. The diamond. Jesus Christ. Oh, scared the hell out of me. I want to get out of here before they escape. Trying to kill me. Run, run, run. One of the birds just scared me.
Is that what you shouted?
Yeah, I was just like, oh. Scary.
The bird?
Yeah.
Well, that's probably why.
It was something diamond and then I couldn't stop. I was like,
That's probably a sign saying do not stick your fingers in the bars.
no, I wasn't even touching it.
Oh, okay. You just told
I
me
was,
you were.
it was there and I was here.
It's like
So,
bums seated.
and people.
Make it go right.
Right. Is everybody okay? Everybody on the camera?
Everybody is okay.
Hello?
Everybody is okay.
Wee.
Stop. Just over here. Yeah.
Wee. Very rainy today.
Yeah. Oh, that's good one. Oh.
Now I'm gonna do another video. I'm gonna stop the video. because I'm going to Manhattan. Manhattan? Is that what it's called?
Matalan.
Matalan, wherever. It sounds like Disneyland, but alright.
It's not like Disneyland, trust me.
Not at all.
Yeah, it doesn't have Mickey Mouse or any of the characters. That's gonna be the end of the video. Do not go outside, it's very rainy.
And gross.
Yeah,
And wet.
yeah. All of that's true. So, I forgot what I say. I hope I make a video on the talent show or Shakespeare.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll record it on your phone.
Okay.
Right.
Do you know how to do it? Because there's no internet, so you just have to go on camera.
Yes, I know how to use a phone.
How dare you? But let's go be end for the video. I'll see you guys. Subscribe, and I'll see you in this video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.